Hello everyone! Today we are going to make an automatic drawing. This is a type of drawing that was developed by the Surrealist artists during the 20th century. One of the greatest Surrealist artists, Salvador Dali, made several automatic drawings. Do you see any recognizable shapes in his drawing? Surrealist artists made images based on their subconscious mind and their dreams. An automatic drawing is an expression of your subconscious. Your subconscious is the part of your mind that is not fully aware. Sub means under, conscious is another word for awareness. So your subconscious is in a way unaware. Here's an example of your subconscious. When you're breathing, you tend to not pay too much attention to your breathing. You're not telling yourself all day, okay, time to breathe in, and now it's time to breathe out. Breathe in now, breathe out now. You're usually thinking of a different activity that you're doing. You don't have to give yourself direction to keep breathing because subconsciously you know you need to and will continue to do so. However, sometimes we have to remind ourselves to take deeper breaths, like when we're really stressed. Has anyone told you to take a deep breath when you're feeling mad or upset? Taking deeper breaths helps us calm down. Sometimes we have to make a conscious effort and remind ourselves to do that. For the next few moments, can you consciously think about your breathing? Take a really deep breath in through your nose. Then push all of that air out through your mouth. Let's try that again. Big breath in, then release that air. Awesome! We're going to use our deep breathing exercise to make our automatic drawing. For our automatic drawing, we are going to be scribbling or doodling on a paper. Sometimes we scribble or doodle on a paper to keep ourselves focused. Maybe you've been scribbling on a paper while listening to this video. Scribbles and doodles are random marks we make with a pen or pencil without thinking too hard. For this drawing, you're going to scribble a continuous line. A continuous line is a line where you never lift your pen or pencil off the paper until you're done the drawing. So you're going to scribble one continuous line and not think about it. While you're scribbling, think about your breath instead of what you're drawing. You can even try closing your eyes. Just make sure that the marker stays on the paper. On a piece of paper with a marker, scribble a continuous line. Don't draw for too long. Next, you can color in your automatic drawing. Try picking 3 different colors. I'm picking 3 colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. These colors are called analogous colors. Each shape in your drawing is going to get its own color. I like to outline my shape first and then color it in. While I'm coloring in my drawing, I'm coloring shapes that are right next to each other, different colors. I want all of the different shapes in my drawing to stand out. There you have it, an automatic drawing made by your subconscious. Great job! Thank you for joining ASI today. At ASI, we'd love for you to email us your art to be included on our website and online art show. You can email pictures of your art to info@artsphere.org. If you post a picture of your art from this lesson on social media, be sure to include the hashtag #LoveArtsphereInc. You can find more free teaching videos, handouts, and lesson plans at info@artsphere.org.